Sipitang Sabah! Sipitang Sabah! Sipitang Sabah! Naik. Iran pun naik. Dekat ini yang kedua. Boleh lagi membubur. Yang kedua, bintang yang kedua.
I can guarantee all of you this shall be a nail-biting finish. Look at the three teams all together. They are going neck to neck. Between boat number 2, Dragon Boat Regatta, and boat number 3, Sipitang Paddlers Sabah, and boat number 4, Sultan. And once again, only one winner will qualify automatically straight to the semi-final. Boat number 4 still in front. Sultan still in front. Going very close in it by Sipitang. Boat number 3, and also in the third position, boat number 2, Dragon Boat Regatta. Once again, boat number 4, Sultan are still in the first position. They are the front runner currently, and followed by boat number 3, Sipitang Paddlers Sabah in the second position, and also in the fifth position, boat number 2, Dragon Paddlers Sabah. Again, we have another 50. Oh, they have just reached the finish line. Again, we have to wait for the official result. Dragon Paddlers Sabah and boat number 3, Sipitang Paddlers Sabah, and boat number 4, Sultan. And once again, only one winner will qualify automatically straight to the semi-final. Boat number 4 still in front. Sultan are still in front. Followed very close in it by Sipitang, boat number 3, and also in the third position, boat number 2, Dragon Paddlers Team A. Once again, boat number 4, Sultan are still in the first position. They are the front runner currently, and followed by boat number 3, Sipitang Paddlers Sabah in the second position, and also. We are looking at event 43, Division 32, Premier Open, Heat 5. We have, as always, 4 teams all together. Rugby in lane number 1, lane 2, Great Lakes of Australia, the Bull Dragons, lane 3, Sipitang Paddlers Sabah, and lane 4, Dragon Sungai Bunga.
Okay.
Back to music.
Okay.
Lari badan dalam diri tak puas hati, hilang apa yang ku selalu impi. Buka mata si gelap belum pagi, malam masih muda. Asal kau gugur macam tak buat apa. Masih masa nak fikir tentang cinta. Ya aku sakit, aku healing sampai pagi tak balik. Oh no, tak boleh. Hatiku dah parah, kau tak boleh nak tarik. Aku nak rasa sampai gila. Ada malam ku sedih, ada malam ku nangis sampai okay.